Window screens not fitting properly can be a total pain, but fixing them doesn't have to be a headache if you know the right moves. So, first off, always measure your window frame super carefully before you even think about buying a new screen. Like, grab a tape measure and check the width and height twice, just to be safe. If the screen is too small, it'll leave gaps. If it's too big, it won't fit right at all. Next, check the frame of your window itself. Sometimes it warps or bends, and that messes everything up. If the frame is out of shape, you might need to straighten or replace it before putting any new screens in. Another trick is to make sure the spline, the rubbery cord that holds the mesh in place, is tight and not worn out. Swapping out old spline makes a huge difference. When installing, start at one corner and work your way around evenly so the mesh doesn't bunch up or sag. If the screen mesh is torn or damaged, just replace it instead of trying to patch it. Patch screens don't last long and look messy. Also, consider getting adjustable screen frames if your windows are tricky sizes. That way, you can tweak the fit without stress. Lastly, don't forget to clean your screens regularly so dirt doesn't build up and mess with how they fit or close. One of the biggest mistakes people make with window screens not fitting properly is rushing the measuring part. If you don't measure right, everything else falls apart. Fix that by double-checking your numbers and measuring both width and height accurately. Another common issue is ignoring warped or damaged window frames. Trying to force a screen into a bent frame just won't work. The fix is to either repair or replace the frame before putting in a new screen. Lastly, using old or stretched out spline causes screens to sag or pop out easily. Just buy new spline and replace it during installation to keep your screen snug and secure. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for anyone looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to window repairs or new screens. It's also great for contractors wanting to connect with homeowners who need reliable help for all kinds of home improvement projects.